Umapeketwane kaDlamini ukwenza uphume ngempela emndenini futhi ke akabuyeli emuva. Ucela uSibongile ke ukuthi ke amvakashele ehotela. Engazi ukuthi lo mshado ekade siwulindele ususeduze ukuthi ke wenzeke. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on SIBONGILE and the DLAMINIS from the 5th to the 7th of February 2024 on Monday. Outcast from his family Gwenzo asked SIBONGILE to visit him at his hotel. Velepi plans to splurge on a comfortable life, but when Deliwe comes to squeeze money out of her, she shuts Deliwe down on Tuesday. Gwenzo learns that his father is cutting him off financially. Meanwhile, after Peteni takes Vusi's side against Njengaye, Njengaye seeks comfort with Nomfundo, who becomes petty towards Njengaye on Wednesday. The pressure mounts on Njengaye when he receives a surprise visit from Sokhabase. A love-struck Nelsiwe can't get off her phone, and the negligence of her work lands her and the other maids in trouble. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.